come on down to A Auto Repairs. We'll fix your car whenever you need it fixed. Come on down today. We do anything from oil changes to tire repairs. We got you covered.
What's this AAA, whatever, how many A's thingies? I need to get my car that shit can get fixed ASAP. Is this A Autos Repair Shop?
No, this is Auto Repair Shop. What's the problem? What do you need?
So, my car's a little, check engine light problem. Also the brakes aren't working right, and the tires, they just don't sound right in the road. And also in the back, we need a little paint job in the back bumper. So come look at the back of the car, the back left bumper. So I was rushing to college media class so I can get there on time, and I kind of bumped into someone. The back left bumper kind of looks like we need a little paint job with it. It's not that bad.
Wow, there's a lot wrong with this car. Should be about $20,000.
Bruh. Bruh. So, let me see how much we got. Here is $20,000.
$20,000? This is $1.16. Are you kidding me?
Well, that's all I have, really. Is there anything else that I could go do? I really need that car fixed ASAP because I need it for tonight.
Why do you need your car fixed tonight? Do you have a hot date or something? I don't get it.
Well, actually, I was planning on taking out my sister for dinner for a sibling bonding time because we really don't have that much of it.
How are you going to end up paying me? I don't know what to do. Let me think. I have a couple ideas. First, give me 100 push-ups.
So, why do I have to go do that?
Just do it!
Fine, I'll go do it. Give me a sec.
You do push-ups like a girl.
No, I don't.
Keep going.
You do push-ups like a girl. No, I don't. Keep going. You do push-ups like a girl. 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 No, I don't. Keep going. You do push-ups like a girl. 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 Keep going.
Push-ups like a girl.
Do you have any water? Those push-ups so tiring.
Yeah, here you go.
Bruh. Why would he go do that? Oh my god, is there anything else I have to do at those annoying 100 push-ups?
Yeah, there is. Give me 10 sprints up and down the block. Let's go.
Fine.
All the way. Keep going. Faster.
How many more?
5.
Oh god. That good enough?
Yeah.
Can I have the water this time? Please don't throw it in my head again.
Fine, I'm sorry about that before. Oh.
Come on. Oh crap, this is 1-800 number. Hello?
In the meantime, the dream season continues for Tom Brady. Here's Tom Terrific after a 9-0 start.
Show call will be ready in 10 minutes for pickup. Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate everything you guys are doing at A Motor Shop. Keep this car fixed.
Cameron on top.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
You never fought to the head.
Bye.
That's a tough team.
Crush your bit.